Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can take a screenshot on your Apple Watch 7. Now before you can take a screenshot, you need to turn on screenshots capture. So from your watch face, press on the crown button to go into the app screen. In the app screen, tap on the settings icon, and in here you want to go down and tap on general. Now go down and tap on screenshots. Make sure that you tap on enable screenshots toggle button to switch it on. Once it is switched on, you can press on the crown button and the side button to take a screenshot. So here I'm going to try to take a screenshot. So I'm just going to turn the watch the sideways and then press on this crown button and the side button together at the same time to take the screenshot. So let's do it now. And that's it. And to view the screenshot, you need to go to your iPhone and open up the Photos app. It is stored in the albums, the screenshots album. Now you might be thinking if you go to the Photos application on your watch, you will be able to find it, but you will not be able to find it at all. The reason is because when you are syncing your Photos app, you can choose which folder to sync, and because I have choose one of the folder and that folder is not the screenshots folder, so it will not be displayed on the watch. So you actually need to go to your iPhone, and if you want to be able to view all the screenshots directly from your watch, you need to sync the screenshots album directly to your Apple Watch. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.